Dargo. Hey, Dargo. Dargo. You want to bring him around to the tunnel?
Yes.
You are just a cute, cute dog, aren't you?
Yes, he is. Dargo. I'm going to throw the toys through first.
Okay.
Hey, Dargo. You ready? Are you filming?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Hey, Dargo. Sit. Good. Sit.